It's a national think tank for black people, straight and simple, right? And so they reached out and they said, hey, yo, there's a big talk about 9-degree credentials. And if that is a true pathway out of poverty and out of bad conditions, and if it's something that we need to be studying right now. At the same time, manufacturing, the industry that I love and the industry that I'm a part of, is going through a talent crisis, right? Where we can't find enough people. But all of the work is coming back right now. We're becoming more competitive. We're making tons of money, record money. And it's not the factory work that you're thinking of. This isn't back-breaking work. We're not making iPhones. We're making jets and we're making 3D printed prosthetics. We definitely building submarines. What's up to the fam? But just anything that you can think of. We're talking high tech. This is advanced manufacturing. So factories aren't dark, dirty, and dangerous anymore. There are some of those, but they need you to get into them so they can get the robotics, they can get the upgrades, they can get all the cool stuff so we can actually compete, and the government's funding it. People are subsidizing things. The money's here. The workers, unfortunately, look like me and you. They look like people that haven't been in this industry yet. They look like people that haven't even heard of this industry yet or had direct pathways into it. The industry is like, hey, we don't care who comes in here. We just need people right now. Yes, we need the 4-year degrees. Yes, we need the high-level engineers, but we can create those, or we can get those later on down the line, or upskill people that are already in our industry right now into those roles. But we really need some people just right now to run machines, understand what our industry is, and then hopefully grow into those roles over time. And if you can do that, then we want you. We don't care who you look like. So they were saying 4-year degrees were cool, but for the past 10, 15 years, yo, give us some NIMS credentials, give us some NOCTI, give us some type of SME standardized credentials that we can recognize, and we'll build you the rest of the way. Or we can continue to build resources around you to do it, because the industry a long time ago abandoned funding training themselves. You know what I'm saying? So they kind of put it on everybody's back. So now they coming back around. They like, hey, yo, my bad. But we need people, so we need to get them from wherever we can come from. The problem with that is technical schools were so far behind, and their training systems, for the most part, were old and outdated. They weren't really matching what the industry has. So with all that going on, it's a great time right now for 9-degree credentials to get you into an industry like manufacturing, like construction, healthcare. There's tons of them that can help you go on a way to get into the middle class. For me, I'm a manufacturing aficionado.